Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be playing not Slither.io, but we're going to be playing some, let me just find it, um Street Race. So I've played this before once or twice on a different computer besides this. It's pretty simple and I hope you guys enjoy. Today we are going to be starting a let's play on it, and yeah, I just really hope you guys like it. And as we can get some, if we go into the garage, we can get, look, in the car shop. So we can get this one, um, oh, Lamborghini, Taurus, Bugatti Veyron, like Lamborghini, but that says Taycan for some reason. Um, and I think back here is, so yeah, like I think it's here. I think that's a Lamborghini thingamajig, Diablo. Um, anyways, let's get straight into it. So apparently we have this small little crappy car so far, and let's go to race. Okay, so we press on this, and then we press this when it hits the green. And apparently we're winning. So, come on, car. Yes, make your car go faster. Okay, and give this video a like. To, just, just like, just give this, if you want, give this video a like if you want me to carry on this series, because I know most of you don't really like this kind of game, but I'm playing it. It's a new game. I might play Dude Perfect next. I might play Gario. Well, I've played a Gario before. I might play Supercar. I might play Slither.io. I might play basketball. I might play Alien Transport, or whatever it's called. Um, okay, so let's get straight into it. Apparently, we're racing this like Bentley. Um, with orange wheels. I love the neon. Like, I'll show you the neon in a second because it's class. I don't even have to touch anything anymore. Okay, there. So now that we've gotten some money, let's go to upgrade our car. So this is the cool part. So we can get nitrogen. Um, I'm gonna get something on acceleration too. Anyways, sorry. Then we can customize the car. So I think I'm gonna give mine orange because I just like orange. Rims are going to be that because I just feel like it. And neon has to be blue. Okay, guys. So let's head straight into a race. Now, up in this corner here, you'll see when I start the race, the nitrogen pops up. And what that does is it gives us a little boost, like an acceleration thing. That wasn't very good. Looked like we were racing some sort of slightly faster car there. The one on level 3. Like the third one. The one after, the one you buy after this. That's confusing. Sorry. Uh, skip ad. Glad we're able to skip ad. And if there's any ads in this, I will just change it. And I am not thingamajig. More. Come on. Come on. Where's Irish? Where's Irish? Choose your language. Oh, I'd much rather have it Irish. Tom. tall thingamajig. Tall me in a car. I'm horrible at Irish. I'm going. Oh my. Boom. And I'm after winning the race. Winning the race. 22 seconds and 50.55. That's a lot. Since when would it get up to a minute? Okay, now that we've got a good bit more, we can upgrade. Have a good bit. I want to get the engine up to 3, and then I can get the acceleration full. And like you guys, oh my god, you need to see this car. Like when it's like fully maxed out, it can beat like the Lamborghini, or the BMW, like the really class BMW. It can beat that. And when the nitrogen's on like the full max out, it lasts for like 5 seconds. Oh my god, it's class, lads. Okay. So we're after going for another. Sorry if it's not very easy to see. I'll try and make it as easy as I can. Anyways, so now what you wanna do to the car? I wanna customize it. Rims have to be. Oh, oops. Ah, no. What do we do there? Oh, go back into our car. Turn the volume off because I feel like it. Neon, where are my stuff? I need my stuff. That blue is all the way. Spray. I'm just gonna go full random now. Yeah, upgrade. Gonna give this fella one more upgrade. And wait, can't even be upgraded. Anyways, let's head right into a race. Oh, guys, we got a good, like, level car here. Okay, nitrogen. See that? So, like, when I hit the nitrogen, like, little flames pop out from the thingamajig back here, where my mouse is. Anyways, let's get on with it. Yes. Yes, I'm back in. Yes. Oh, that's new level 3. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna go for one more race and see if I can buy another car. Because I want to buy that for that. I got good on acceleration, 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 and on the little top here, on the little thing here, when he shakes just there, he like that's when you use your nitrogen. So let's actually go and well, I suppose I'll actually upgrade the entire thing. Nitrogen can go on full because it's my car, my rules, my car, my rules. The weight just needs to be adjusted a good bit. There we go. Now let's rev our engines. Okay, great start, brilliant. Let's go. Nitrogen. Yes, I love the way. See how long my nitrogen lasts for then. Can last for at least. Oh, if this guy uses nitrogen, he might have a good chance of speeding up on me. Nah. Did he use nitrogen? I'm not sure. Ooh, Lamborghini! Lamborghini! Sorry if I'm mistaking this car for Lamborghini, but I just thought it was Lamborghini. Okay, he's gonna. Do I have a good chance of getting him? Nah. I'm not gonna reach him, am I? I stopped for a second, like the movement of him. Well, I did bad. My thing is on full, so I'm not sure what else I can play. Yeah, oh, okay. This is creepy. This is creepy. Guys, if you don't want to look, you don't have to. This is weird. What is this game? What's it on? Because I might get it. I'm just kidding. Ninjas play free. What's it on? Okay. So, yeah. I think I'm gonna end. No, I'm not gonna carry on this race thing. I'm actually gonna do tons of games on this actual thing. So, I'm gonna go slither.io because my friend was talking to me about that. And I was like, I just need to learn how to play first. You know what I mean? I don't have a freaking clue. Okay. Mini clip games, blah blah blah. Come on. Free multiplayer game. Apparently. Bob. Okay. Uh, okay. This is just what? This is the weirdest thing I've ever seen. Okay, what happens if I hit them? What happens if I hit them peeps? Okay. So it's like you can cross over on yourself. Oh, that's class. Oh, I get you now. So the big people hit the small people. Oh, I know the name of the game now. Okay, this is getting better. You can get even fatter too. You can get even fatter. Dude, come on, you're my friend. So if he runs into me, does that mean I get loads bigger? Does it? What? Okay. Okay, I'm rubbish. Okay. Just me, little Bob. If they run into you. Okay, I can't run into anybody. Yes. Yes. Yes, that was a class. Oh my. Okay, this is actually fun. Okay, guys, so I think I might actually play loads more of this. But what the hell is that? Is that Folexer thing? Oh no. Wait, is that Folexer? Who's number one? Is number one an unnamed cell or something? Okay, this guy is massive. So am I. I'm very long too. If you run into me, you die, son. Shut up. Yes, please. Okay. I was only looking at peeps. Like, only about the size of me. No. Yes, please. Yes, 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 yes. What? No. Oh my god. That was laggy. Oh. Well, little Bob is off again. So it's kind of like, like the thing, like in, like Snake in Mineplex. If you don't know what that is, it's the exact same kind of concept of this, but you don't grow bigger. The more time you're alive, the more you grow. That's in. Whoa, this fella's big. What? But what? Slither.io. It's an unusual name, but though. Um, everybody's dying. Can I cross over on myself now? If you're able to cross over on yourself, that means you're fat. Yeah, I'm fat. Well, not fat, but like you're big enough. You know what I mean? That's what I found. Come on, boy, come on, boy, come on, boy, come on, boy. Okay, thanks, boy. Okay, that was sweet. I can't even fit the freaking frames. Like these naughty, my little fellas. Okay, yes. Let's go. Okay. Come on. I'm a little snake and I want to eat people. B B B B B is number 6. B B B B B B B B B is number 6. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Run into me, run into me, run into me, run into me, run into me. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Why is he texting me? What? Oh no, I wasn't looking. I wasn't looking. Okay, we're gonna have one more go on. Then in the video here. But how do you like go really fast? How is that possible? Okay, I'm gonna have one more round of Slither.io and then. Okay, fellow red guy, please help me. No, 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 the lag. The lag is real. Whoa. Okay. No! Okay, guys, I think that ends it for today. Comment on this video if you want me to play more Slither.io, and see you next time. Bye!